Samsung is gearing up to introduce a new addition to its foldable lineup, but this one might feel a little familiar. If you've been keeping up with the latest leaks, you might have seen renders of what is rumored to be the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, Samsung's more affordable take on the clamshell foldable. And from the looks of it, Samsung might be repurposing spare parts to make this device happen. We've seen this strategy before. Samsung did something similar with the Galaxy Z Fold SE, which was essentially a toned-down version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, it seems like they're applying the same formula to the Z Flip series, creating a more budget-friendly option for those who want a foldable, but don't want to spend $1,000. So what exactly does the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE bring to the table? Well, if these leaks are accurate, it looks almost identical to the Galaxy Z Flip 6. The dimensions, the display size, and even the design are pretty much the same. However, there's one key difference. A larger cover screen from the Z Flip 7 won't be making its way to this FE model. That means you'll likely get a smaller, more traditional cover screen, similar to the previous Flip models. Now let's talk about the build. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is expected to feature an armor aluminum frame, just like the Z Flip 6. And when it comes to cameras, it looks like Samsung isn't making many changes there either. The renders show a dual camera setup, and it could very well be the same 50 megapixel plus 12 megapixel combo that we saw on the Z Flip 6. But where we do see a major change is in the chipset. Unlike the Galaxy Z Flip 6, which runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the FE model is expected to be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2400E. This is a slightly watered-down version of the Exynos 2400 that was used in the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. While this means that the Z Flip 7 FE might not be as powerful as the flagship model, it's a trade-off that makes sense if Samsung is aiming for a lower price point. And that's really what this device is about, offering a cheaper alternative for people who love the flip phone form factor but don't want to shell out $1,000 for the latest and greatest. Samsung seems to be taking last year's leftovers, mixing in a few tweaks, and bringing an FE version to life. From a business standpoint, this could be a smart move. Samsung ships over 300 million smartphones a year, and if they want foldables to make up a larger share of that market, they need more options at different price points. The Z Flip 7 FE could be their way of making foldables more accessible. What about the price? That's the big question. Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet, but based on their pricing history, we can expect the Z Flip 7 FE to cost a couple $100 less than the regular Z Flip 7. This could mean a price tag somewhere around $799 or $849, making it a more affordable entry into the foldable space. As for the launch, Samsung typically unveils its foldables at an Unpacked event in the second half of the year, usually in July or August. That means we won't have to wait too long to see if these leaks turn out to be true. So what do you think about the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE? Is it a smart way to bring foldables to more people, or does it feel like Samsung is just recycling old parts? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on all the latest leaks and news about Samsung's upcoming devices, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.